Mike.
Did you find a match?
Mama. Cat.
Thank you. You find another match? Did you find a match? Yeah. Alright, can you give those to Mama? Oh, you gotta hand them to me. Silly. Excellent. Okay, more. Mas. You find another match? Which one matches that? Where's its match? What's a blue sock? It matches your pants. Yay! You found a match. Okay, can you hand them to Mama? Oh, let's not throw them to Mama. Let's hand them. Thank you.
Mike.
Okay.
Mike.
That's right. It's a match. Should we put them in the drawer now? Okay, I'll fold them. Good job.